Chiwoniso Maraire song number 2, before we leave the Nyunga Nyunga Mbira behind. So the song's name is Nguva Yekufara, which means times of happiness. And it goes something like this. Okay, so this is a bit of a tricky one, but as usual, I'll just break everything down into manageable steps and then you can practice one step at a time. Starting with the first step that goes like this. And then the next step is like this. So both steps, it will sound like this. And then the next step sounds like this. And then after that, it goes to the exact same first step. And then the next step is like this. And then finally, the last step sounds like this. And then the whole thing from beginning sounds like this. So this one is a bit more tricky and you'll be disappointed if you think you can get it in a week or something. It will take time. You have to pause the video, take one step at a time, do it many times until you get it, and maybe in a month you would have gotten it properly.